if you're looking to buy or sell your home, you know I'm going to tell you, you have to go to those Callaways. They are going to make this craziness so much easier. And of course, we have back with us today Joe Coleman. And what kind of home do you have for us today?
We have a wonderful magic zip code home, of course, in the heart of 85254.
Yay.
It's an absolute fabulous property. It's on an acre lot. It's private gated entry. It's got a 1,300 square foot guest house and a separate detached workshop, which is just a car lover's dream. It's got air pumps, everything like that, all already built into it. So perfect for any hobbyist, really. And then a wonderful 2,500 square foot property with a great master bedroom. And it's just really a must see. Like I said, right in the heart of 85254, gated on an acre. What more could you really ask for?
Well, and that neighborhood and what you're getting, it's going to go fast.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, this is one of those that, you know, of course, I'm the big fan of the 85254, but there's so many benefits to it. But I know because it's going to go fast, you're going to be able to help anybody who doesn't get it. All they have to do is call you, and you're going to be able to get them into their dream home. Absolutely.
We've got a great pre-market inventory right now, especially in 85254. So if you're looking for something, just give us a call. Or if you're looking to sell, give us a call. And this property itself, it's going to be open today 1 to 4. So you definitely have to stop by to kind of see everything it has to offer. So.
Oh, they definitely do. And like I said, though, they need to get there early, get in there. All right. Well, thank you for joining us again.
Thank you.